Hello children, today in the lesson number 7, experiments with water, we are going to learn about the properties of water, in which we have 4 learning outcomes. That is, the first one is list out the things that float or sink in water, or to explain the cause of water float or sink in water, and also to identify the items that are soluble and insoluble in water. And the last one is to discuss about the process of evaporation. Now first we will take up the first lesson, first yellow. Let us discuss the example of Aisha in kitchen. Aisha observed that first the puri sink in oil, and when it puffed, then it floats. Second observation is when the puri not puffed, it remains sink in the oil. In these two observations, the difference is only puffing of puri, and puffing of puri was happens due to the presence of air inside it. Now you will watch all the link given it and observe it carefully. In the second yellow, to explain the cause of float or sink in water, the reason is that any object floats only when it displays the water or equal or more than its own weight. It means if any object floats in water, it displaces the water equal or more than its weight. Our targeted learning outcome 3 is to identify the items that are soluble and insoluble in water. To understand this property, you have to first watch the video link. Then after, you will understand that some objects easily soluble in water like haldi milk, while few of them take some time like 2 to 3 minutes like sugar. Some remains insoluble in water like soil, like oil or stone, while some dissolve partially like soil and chalk. Few examples or few questions are for your observations, like when your mother make tea, just find out what things are soluble and what are insoluble. In second observation or second question for you is that what idea you will try to dissolve quickly 4 to 5 spoon of sugar in one glass. Now let's do two magics with the water. Take a lemon, egg or small potato, keep it in glass, add salt in it and observe the magic. What will happen to the lemon? The lemon will float. But how? The reason is that the salt makes the water heavy and lemon starts floating in it like a man floats in a Dead Sea. Dead Sea is a salt lake in Jordan and it has about 3 to 300 gram of salt present in 1 liter of water. In the second magic, we will do the racing competition among the different liquids. Take a plain plate and put 1 to 2 drops in one line, honey, oil, milk and water. Slightly tilt the plate. Which liquid will come first, second and third? Why? The reason is that water comes first because it is the thinnest liquid among these, while the honey is the thickest one. The last TL of our lesson is to discuss about the evaporation. First, discuss about the Dandi March. It was took by the Gandhiji to break the law of salt made by British government from Ahmedabad to Dandi village in 1930 in Gujarat. Salt is prepared from the sea water by drying in sun in salt beds on large scale, then refined and sold. Here, the process of evaporation is the main. What is the process of evaporation? It is the process in which the water changes from liquid to gaseous state or gaseous form. Many examples you can observe in daily life, like drying of wet clothes, drying of papad, papad, or many things in sun at your home. Formation of water vapors during the tea making, during the boiling of water, during the boiling of milk also. You can observe all these things. So this is all about your experiments of water chapter. Children, to understand it more clearly, you will observe these 5 links given in this. And thank you for watching this lesson. Let's come to the next part.